In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transpose data in Google Sheets. Transposing is a quick way to flip your data so rows become columns and columns become rows. It's perfect when you realize your table would make more sense rotated, or when a report wants headers arranged differently without retyping everything. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and selecting the range of data you want to transpose. Click and drag to highlight exactly what you need, including headers, if you want those to flip too. Make sure the selection is contiguous, no gaps, and take a moment to confirm you've got the correct block, since what you select here is exactly what will be flipped later. Next, copy the selected data. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press CMD+E. You can also use the Edit menu if you prefer, but the keyboard shortcut is usually faster. You'll see a highlight around your selection indicating it's ready to paste. Now decide where you want the transposed data to start. Click on the single cell that should become the top left corner of the new, flipped table. Before you paste, check that there's enough empty space for the new layout, because the pasted data will expand downward and to the right in its new shape. If you're placing it on a different sheet, switch to that tab first and then click your starting cell. Right-click on that cell, hover over Paste Special, and choose Paste Transposed. Google Sheets will instantly flip the orientation of your copied data. What used to be a row will become a column, and what used to be a column will become a row, preserving the order of your items. You'll see the rows and columns have switched places. Take a quick glance to confirm that your headers landed where you expect and that the number of items matches. The original data remains unchanged, so you can always refer back to it. If something doesn't look right, you can undo immediately with Ctrl+Z or CMD+Z and try again. Finally, review the transposed data and clean up formatting for clarity. Adjust column widths so text isn't cut off, turn on text wrap where needed, and apply number, date, or currency formats so values are readable. Align headers consistently. Consider bolding the top row for emphasis, and ensure colors or borders still make sense in the new orientation. If your selection included formulas, double-check that the results still look correct, and update any references if necessary. And that's it. Open, select, copy, choose your destination, paste transposed, and tidy up. With this workflow, you can reorient any table in seconds and keep your sheet organized.